Hello, Chef here. Once again, I wanted to share some tips with you. This is the Porsche Turbo designed by F.A. Porsche, Chroma Type 301. Super sweet knife. Yeah, look at that edge. Now to retain that wicked sweet sharp edge, I'm only going to use 2 or 3 things. Japanese whetstone, super fine, made in Japan. Guide clip goes on the back of the knife without scratching, as well as leather strop. You can score one of these or you can make your own, doesn't matter to me. You take your knife, once it's sharp, and you just stroke it on the strop a few times like this, both sides. And now that baby's sharp and ready to go. That's it. That's all you need. Put the clip on, goes right over the knife like this. Like I said, it does not scratch. You get it to the optimum point, which is about the center of your knife. And then when you put it on the stone, the knife hits only the bottom edge, and you repeat with the other side. Even strokes, okay? You're all done. Clip comes off. Once again, leather strop. Okay. Now you're wondering, how sharp is that? I'm going to show you. Got a pile of coupons here. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 coupons, 10 pieces of paper. So you're wondering, how sharp is that turbo knife? There you go. That's the answer right there. 10 sheets of paper. Let's see if your knife can do this. And if it can't, maybe you want to upgrade and get yourself one of these Porsche Turbos. Great sound. Listen to that. Yeah, I really like the knife. So does she. There you go. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor right there, and you can score all the good stuff, all the tools that you need to be successful in the kitchen. Have a great day. Like, share, subscribe. Keep cooking. Yeah. I'll be back with more. Coleslaw. For the full recipe, subscribe. Got my steamed asparagus on there. It's looking really good. The last thing I'm going to add to finish this drunken porterhouse recipe is some of the drunken juice right over the top like this. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right down there. Get cooking. Try the recipe. Have a beautiful day. By the way, this set's about 10 years old, looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it and I eat a lot. Before you, I'm making homemade vanilla extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsor's label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe and wow! It's going to really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. You can see what I got going on here. Oh yeah, it's looking really cool. I like it. I'm going to eat that. Yeah, hit up your sponsor and get the good stuff. Yeah, get cooking and have a beautiful day. It's gonna be good. Button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah. That is the good stuff right there. In case you're wondering, I've been smoking this over hardwood coals and cherry for quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, got some fresh basil here. Looking really nice. Look at that color. Smells wonderful. I'm going to roll this basil up. Do a really quick chiffonade. But just like that. Some of that's going to go on my pasta, of course. Yeah, notice how sharp that knife is and how nice this cut is there. Looking really good. Please like, share, subscribe, smash that like button, let other people find the video. And if you want to see more about portobello mushrooms as well as pasta dishes, just check out this channel. There's a lot of awesome recipes on there. Make sure you leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe, score all the cool stuff at your sponsor, get cooking, and of course for the recipe, subscribe and watch the chef's other videos. You're gonna find it. Sourdough bread. Oh, it's gonna be good. Oh yeah, I got some homemade clam chowder here. I put extra clams in there, lots of potatoes, some thyme. It's good to go. Make sure you subscribe. You can check out some of the soup recipes that I've decided to share. Black pepper, I love it. Oh yeah, let's put a little extra grind on there. 5 years old, it's still going, I love it. Now, if you want one, you can visit the sponsor and you can check them out right there. They got all kinds of them at the sponsor. Star anise. Oh, it's a really, really nice quality. Hard to find,